Well, this is my dinner, sort of. It's 2 o'clock here, so what I do is get these short ribs and put them here, and then microwave, and then throw in some vegetables. These. I'm not left-handers, but for the purpose of this video, I'll try to get this. Try to get these things. Don't like to touch with bare hands, so that's why this was easier. So that one's done. And up here, I got this zucchinis up. And then throw them in. I just got it here. Let's go. Might as well. It's easier. I know it's not supposed to be a cutting board here, but hey, nobody's watching. Try not to cut all the way down. That's why you don't damage the what you can call it, the counters. It's all scratched up. The counter is like 50 years old. Anyway, so this part here, cut it off. It's easier to cook. Oh, gee, nice landing. Perfect landing. Safe landing. I like that. Help. I think I need somebody to cook here and stuff. Anyway, so I'll just say here. Anyway, so after that, put that zucchinis away. Open this door. Oh, this stuff is stuck in there. Put it there. So there we go. Throw them in there. Sometimes put a lid on it for this video. Might as well. Anyway, for 5 minutes. Yeah, it'll be ready in 5 minutes.